Hello dear students, welcome back to the Crystal International Public School, Standard 7, Subject Science, Chapter 5, Acids, Bases and Salts. Okay, in my last video we have seen that what is acid, what is bases and how can we identify them, that is it is acids and it is bases. So let's revise it first and then after we will go through our next topic. Okay, so let's start about it. Acids means what? That you taste, suppose natural acids are there, that they have tasted sour taste. Okay, खट्टा टेस्ट आपको आता है ना, वो तो हम कह सकते हैं कि ये एसिडिक नेचर है. ओके, सपोज आई एम तो यहाँ पे एग्जांपल्स दिए गए हैं कर्ड, लेमन जूस, ऑरेंज जूस, विनेगर. सो दे टेस्ट सॉर. ओके, सो आई कैन से दैट दे कंटेन एसिड्स. ओके, and those substances which don't taste sour, or we can say that it is taste bitter, that is called bases. Okay, now we can identify that this is the acid and this is the basis by tasting them, but we cannot taste all the chemical substances, all the substances which are available nearby us. ओके, बहुत सारे के सारे सब्सटेंसेस हम टेस्ट नहीं कर सकते ना. सम ऑफ दे आर पॉइजनस फॉर अस, सम ऑफ देम आर रिस्की फॉर अस. एसिड्स वी कैन नॉट टेस्ट इट, दिस आर द नेचुरल एसिड्स, सो दैट्स व्हाई वी आर ईटिंग. बट केमिकली एसिड्स जो है दैट वी कैन नॉट टेस्ट इट. ओके, so how can we identify them that this is acids and this is bases? So those the substances by which we can identify that this is acids and this is bases are called indicators. Okay, so some natural indicators are given over here, that is indicators, that is what? Turmeric, litmus, china rose petals, etc. टर्मरिक इज नेचुरल इंडिकेटर. तो टर्मरिक से हमने बहुत सारे रेस्टिस किए थे टर्मरिक के साथ, बट नेचुरल इंडिकेटर्स में मैं ले लूँ तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम लिटमस पेपर लेंगे एंड देन आफ्टर वी विल यूज़ द टर्मरिक पेपर. तो लिटमस का हमने देखा था, लिटमस पेपर कम्स फ्रॉम द लिचेंस ट्री. लिचेंस ट्री जो आती है ना, लिचेंस प्लांट्स जो आते हैं उसमें से हम उस क्या बनाते हैं, लिटमस पेपर बनाते हैं. तो वी कैन मेक इट रेड एंड ब्लू लिटमस पेपर. ओके, so as see, you can see over here, these are the litmus paper. So if red turns to blue, then it is called basic, and if blue turns to red, then it is called acidic. Okay, so from that we can identify them, but here it is given the activities that also we have done in my last video, that you have to take some natural substances, some of them, and then after you have to just add them into it, that is litmus paper, and then identify them. Okay, but if litmus paper doesn't gives you any kind of change, then what is it called? Neutral solution. That solution is called neutral solution, by which litmus paper doesn't give you any type of change color. Okay, suppose red litmus paper में add करती हूँ solution में, then it will not change. If I will add blue paper, then also it will not change. So that is called neutral solution. Okay, then after we have done the turmeric is another neutral natural indicator, ये हमने देखा था. Okay, so इनमें क्या होता, one activity was given over here, that is 1 tablespoon turmeric powder you have to take, and take a piece of paper and turmeric powder you have to take over here, and then after add 2 drops of water into it, and then just make a paste of it, and then after the color of the turmeric, okay, will be exactly come onto the paper, and then after you have to just remove the paste, then you will get the golden yellow color with hair of turmeric. Okay, and then after you have to just add into it the soapy solution, soap solution, otherwise you can add into it that lemon solution. The lemon juice ke 1 or 2 drops if you will add, then you will get that here you will get the change in the color, that is pale yellow. Okay, golden yellow converts into the pale yellow. And if you will add the soap solution, then you will get here the maroon color या फिर red color. Okay, it will convert. So you can say that maroon color or red color you get na. So you can say that is this acids or bases. So turmeric is also natural indicators. Okay, up to this we have seen चाइना रोज भी हमने देखा था. व्हाट इज चाइना रोज, वो भी हमने देखा था. China rose is also as an indicator, it works as an indicator also. Okay, so here one acid indicator and base are there. Indicator is of pink color, indicator is of pink color, acid and bases are there. If you will add indicator into the acid form, then you will get the color of acid will be changed, that is golden yellow or orange. Okay, and if indicator adds into the base solution, then base solution will convert into the dark green. Okay, so that activity also we have done, and this is the table by which you have to just take substances and use turmeric solution onto it and remark it. Okay, if you wanted to do, then you can do, otherwise if you don't want to do, then do it. Okay, so these indicators are working as a indicate this is acid or bases. So keep the mixture for some time till water becomes colored. Use the colored water as an indicator and 5 drops of indicator to each of the solution. Then what you will observe, the China rose indicator turns acidic solutions to dark pink and basic solutions to green. Okay, I am not getting the same result when using solid baking soda on dry litmus paper. Why? Make a solution of baking soda and then try. Okay, what is it? Activity 5.4. what it is said, see, पहेली क्या बोल रही थी, that is coffee is brown and bitter is taste. Is it in acid or base? Don't give the answer without any taste. You are in the dark with its taste. टेस्ट से हमें पता नहीं चलेगा, तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, वी हैव टू ऐड इनटू इट लिटमस पेपर और एनी नेचुरल इंडिकेटर्स. ओके, नाउ एक्टिविटी 5.4. The teacher is requested to get the dilute solution of the following chemicals from his or her school laboratory or from a nearby school: hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, acetic acid, sodium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, that is lime water. Everything you have to take, and then after you to do activity, that effect on litmus paper, effect on turmeric paper, and effect on China rose solution. So demonstrate the effect of the 3 indicators on each of the solution and then record your observations. Now what is neutralization? Neutralization मैंने आपको बोला, neutral means what? Neutral solutions means what? That they doesn't give any type of color change in your solution or in the indicator. So that is called neutral. Okay, but neutralization is what? Let's see about it. That we have learnt that acids turn blue, litmus red, blue litmus red, and bases turns red litmus blue. मैंने बोला ना कि red converts to blue, sorry, that is bases, and blue converts to red, that is acids. Okay, so we are going to use an indicator you have not used so far. It is called phenolphthalein. देखो, आपको इंडिकेटर यूज नहीं करना तो फेनोल्फथैलीन यूज कर सकते हो. फेनोल्फथैलीन क्या है? फेनोल्फथालीन वो ऐसा एक क्या है, सॉल्यूशन भी हम कह सकते हैं या सॉलिड फॉर्म भी कह सकते हैं, वो हमें देखना है यहाँ पे. लेट्स सी अबाउट इट. To be demonstrated by the teacher in the class, fill 1/4 of a test tube with dilute hydrochloric acid HCl. Note down its color and note down the color of phenolphthalein solution also. phenolphthalein ऐसा एक solution है, that is indicator है. ओके तो एक solution ऐसा है, chemical indicator है and man made indicator है, it is not natural. तो उससे क्या होगा कि वो एसिड है या बेसिस है वो हमें देखना वो इट गिव्स अस. सो ऐड 2 to 3 drops of the indicator to the acid. Now shake the test tube gently. Do you observe any change in color of the acids? फेनोल्फथालीन ऐसा है कि सपोज मैं हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड लेती हूँ, एसिड ली लिया मैंने और उसमें फेनोल्फथालीन के 2 और 3 ड्रॉप्स मैं ऐड करूँगी तो क्या होगा यहाँ पे, इट विल चेंज इट्स कलर. इट मीन्स पिंक कलर में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. ओके so acid to the acidic, add the acidic solution a drop of sodium hydroxide solution by a dropper. Stir the tube gently and is there any change in the color of the solution? Continue adding the sodium hydroxide solution drop by drop and while stirring till the pink color just appears. Now add one more drop of dilute hydrochloric acid. What do you observe? The solution again becomes colorless. Again add one drop of sodium hydroxide solution. And is there any change in color? The solution again becomes pink in color. देखो यहाँ पे क्या है, हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड लेना है एंड फिनाइल्फथालीन की जगह सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड लेना है. सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड इज फिनाइल्फथालीन ओनली. तो सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड की 1 और 2 ड्रॉप्स डालते जाना है, डालते जाना है, डालते जाना है. कब तक? जब तक आपको कलर चेंज नहीं मिल जाता, पिंक कलर, लाइट पिंक कलर नहीं मिल जाता. ओके अब आपको हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड इसमें डालना है, वो सॉल्यूशन में. वो सॉल्यूशन में जितना डालोगे तो उससे क्या होगा कि ये जो कलर है वो डिसअपियर हो जाएंगे. एंड देन आफ्टर अगेन यू हैव टू ऐड सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड एंड ड्रॉप बाय ड्रॉप एंड ड्रॉप बाय ड्रॉप, then you will get the change in color. Okay it is evident that when the solution is basic, phenolphthalein gives a pink color. On the other hand, when the solution is acidic, it remains colorless. सॉल्यूशन जो बेसिक होगा तो उसको वो आपको कलर देगा, लेकिन सॉल्यूशन जो एसिडिक होगा then it remains colorless. When an acidic solution is mixed with a basic solution, both the solutions neutralize the effect of each other. When an acid solution and base solution are mixed in suitable amounts, both the acidic nature of the acid and the basic nature of the base are destroyed. Okay, and the resulting solution is neither acidic nor basic. Touch the test tube immediately after neutralization. What do you observe? In neutralization reaction, heat is always produced or evolved. The evolved heat raises the temperature of the reaction mixture. देखो what it is observed. When an acidic solution is mixed with a basic solution, both the solutions neutralize the effect of each other. सपोज एसिडिक सॉल्यूशन बेसिक सॉल्यूशन में डाला जाएगा या बेसिक एसिडिक में डाला जाएगा तो न्यूट्रलाइजेशन वहाँ पे क्रिएट होगा. When an acid solution and base solution are mixed in suitable amounts, both the acidic nature of the acid and the basic nature of the base are destroyed. वहाँ पे क्या होगा कि वो दोनों suitable amount में डालोगे ना तो उसका basic nature भी नहीं रहेगा और acidic nature भी नहीं रहेगा. The resulting solution is neither acidic nor basic. Touch the test tube immediately after neutralization. आफ्टर न्यूट्रलाइजेशन आपको टेस्ट ट्यूब पर टच करना है, टच करके आपको देखना है कि वहाँ पे आपको टेम्परेचर दिखेगा. you will feel their heatness, hotness, warmness. Okay, because this test tube is become now hot. Okay, it means टेम्परेचर वहाँ पे क्रिएट हुआ, हीट क्रिएट हुई वहाँ पे. So in neutralization reaction, heat is always produced or evolved. या तो फिर ठंडा होगा या तो फिर हॉट होगा. So the evolved heat raises the temperature of the reaction mixture. ओके, ये जो evolved heat जो है वो वहाँ पे क्या करेगा, टेम्परेचर बढ़ाने का काम करेगा. In neutralization reaction, a new substance is formed that is called salt. तो यहाँ पे आपको एक नया सब्सटेंस मिलेगा that is called salt. So salt may be acidic, basic or neutral in nature. Neutralization can be defined as follows. न्यूट्रलाइजेशन कैसे डिफाइन किया जाता है, लेट्स सी. The reaction between an acid and a base is known as neutralization. Salt and water are produced in this process with the evolution of heat. ये आपको याद रखनी है, very important line. So acid plus base gives you the salt plus water. Heat is evolved. The following reaction is an example, that is hydrochloric acid plus sodium hydroxide gives you the sodium chloride plus water. सोडियम क्लोराइड में सॉल्ट दिया आपने और यहाँ पे वाटर हुआ. बुझो एडेड डाइल्यूट सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड टू लाइम वाटर. विल द रिएक्शन मिक्सचर बिकम हॉट और कूल, दैट यू हैव टू लर्न. ओके, तो ये जो रहा था हमारा टॉपिक था वो सॉल्ट के बेस पर था, न्यूट्रलाइजेशन बेस पे था. व्हाट इज न्यूट्रलाइजेशन? न्यूट्रलाइजेशन मीन्स व्हाट, एसिड एंड बेसिस को जितना भी आप डाल 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 करोगे उतना वहाँ पे रिएक्शन के बाद वहाँ पे वो सॉल्यूशन विल नॉट बी एदर बाय एसिड और नॉर बेसिस. ओके, इट विल चेंज इनटू द फॉर्म ऑफ सॉल्ट और वाटर. ओके, सॉल्ट और वाटर में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. गॉट इट? तो ये रहा हमारा टॉपिक. Now last topic only is remaining, but last topic we will learn in our next video. तब तक हम थोड़ा बहुत रिवीजन कर लेते हैं. लेट्स रिवाइज इट. इंडिकेटर्स क्या है, न्यूट्रलाइजेशंस क्या है, सॉल्ट्स क्या है, सॉल्ट्स कैसे बनता है. ओके, दिस इज द न्यूट्रलाइजेशन. फिनोल्फथैलीन यू हैव टू यूज. फिनोल्फथैलीन क्या यूज करता है, पिंक कलर, इट कन्वर्ट्स द पिंक कलर. ओके, हाँ, तो एसिड्स एंड बेसिस एंड सॉल्ट्स में क्या है वो हमें देखा. तो जस्ट मैं आपको एक एक्टिविटी बताऊंगी, एक दिखाती हूँ. वेट, ये जो है वो न्यूट्रलाइजेशन प्रोसेस है. न्यूट्रलाइजेशन प्रोसेस में क्या हुआ, देखो यहाँ पे हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड है HCl, मैंने एक बीकर में लिया. फिर NaOH सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, दिस इज हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड. दिस इज सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. ओके, and this is H2O plus NaCl. You will get NaCl means salt and plus water. Okay, water and salt यहाँ पे separate हो गए by adding the acid and base together. Okay, and heat will be produced there. So this is one that is of activity that is given in your textbook. Okay, देखो चाइना रोज़ में क्या होगा कि जो चाइना रोज़ है उसमें आप जस्ट वार्म वाटर लीजिए और चाइना रोज़ को जस्ट इसके इनसाइड इमर्स करें और उसको थोड़ा बहुत रख लीजिए. देन यू विल गेट हियर मजेंटा कलर solution. Okay, light magenta color solution you will get over here. तो ये जो है वो चाइना रोज इंडिकेटर हो गया आपका. ओके, ये जो है वो चाइना रोज इंडिकेटर हो गया आपका. हो गया कि नहीं? This is your China rose indicator. Okay, afterwards what will happen when China rose indicator will mixed with the base or acids, then what will happen? Let's see about it. See, when China rose indicator is mixed with the acidic solution, then you will get here dark pink color. Okay, China rose indicator when reacts with the acids, so dark pink color you will get here. This is the China rose indicator. Okay, acidic के साथ. And when it reacts with the basic solution, then it will give you the dark green color. It will give you the dark green color. ओके, बेस के साथ वो ऐड होगा तो डार्क ग्रीन कलर देगा चाइना रोज इंडिकेटर. एंड इफ इट गिव्स इट विल react with the acids, then it will give you the dark pink color. Got it? So I have explained you very well and very deeply into it. So please students, consider each and every topics, concentrately study each and every topic. This is based on chemistry, so this is very important chapter for your exam also, for your life future also. फ्यूचर में साइंस लोगे तो भी ये चैप्टर्स इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो आई होप गाइस you understand all each and every topic. If you don't understand, then please remark your question in your notebook. And about these all the activities, if you would be in a school, then we will go in the lab, but you are not still. So I'm doing my best to give you the best onto the video, onto the this during the video. Okay, so bye everyone, take care during corona, because you know that corona is very harmful. Okay, bye everyone, take care.